Unlocking the Secrets of Numerical Reasoning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a term that's crucial in many fields, from academics to the professional world: numerical reasoning. Whether you're a student, a job seeker, or just a curious mind, understanding this concept can open doors to new insights and opportunities. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of numerical reasoning together. Numerical reasoning refers to the ability to understand, interpret, and analyze numerical data. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about making sense of them in a real-world context. This involves using mathematical skills to solve problems, make decisions, and draw conclusions based on numerical information. Whether it's in everyday life, such as planning a budget, or in specific professional settings, like analyzing sales data, numerical reasoning is a key skill that helps us navigate the world around us. In today's data-driven world, numerical reasoning is more important than ever. It's a skill that employers highly value, as it demonstrates an individual's ability to make logical decisions based on quantitative data. From finance and engineering to healthcare and education, numerical reasoning plays a pivotal role in various industries. It not only helps in solving mathematical problems but also in understanding trends, predicting outcomes, and making informed decisions that can impact businesses and lives. Improving your numerical reasoning skills is a journey of practice and application. Here are a few tips to get you started. 1. Practice regularly. Engage with math problems, data analysis exercises, and numerical puzzles. The more you practice, the better you'll become. 2. Learn from real-life scenarios. Try to apply numerical reasoning in your daily life, such as by calculating expenses, analyzing sports statistics, or even cooking measurements. 3. Use online resources. There are numerous online platforms and apps designed to improve mathematical skills. These can provide a fun and interactive way to enhance your numerical reasoning. 4. Read widely. Expand your knowledge by reading about different industries and how they use data. Understanding various contexts can improve your ability to interpret data accurately. Numerical reasoning is a vital skill that enables us to interpret and analyze data, make decisions, and solve problems effectively. By understanding and improving your numerical reasoning abilities, you can enhance your academic performance, boost your career prospects, and make more informed decisions in your daily life. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of numerical reasoning and inspired you to develop this invaluable skill further. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, every number tells a story, and with strong numerical reasoning skills, you'll be better equipped to understand and narrate these stories. Happy learning!